Hey guys, Christine Dugan here, and I'm going to share with you today how to create a flyer in Command for one of your listings. So what I've done is I've downloaded the listing photos straight here to my desktop, so I know exactly where to find them. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and get to Command. So we'll go to agent.kw.com, and this already fills in for me, but this will pop you into Command, and you might have to enter your credentials. But once you get to the dashboard here, what we're going to do is we're going to hit the KW button, and we're going to go down here to Designs. And these are my past saved designs. So if you don't have this, don't freak out, you're in the right area. What we want to do is go ahead and hit this plus sign here. And we want to go to Print and Create Design. And what we'll see is there's a series of choices here for print marketing. So we can go to For Sale and then just come over here to Flyers, and you can take a look at these types of templates. For this example, I'm going to get into Just Listed, go into Flyers, and I'm going to choose this one right here. This program does take a little bit to load, so there's nothing wrong with your computer. It's just really a heavy program. A lot of data is going back and forth. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to switch out this main photo. And to do that, I'm going to make sure I'm clicked on Images over here. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Add. And I'm going to go find my photos by clicking on this area here. And on my desktop, I'm going to get into that folder that has all my photos. I'm going to choose, let's see, I'm going to choose this one of the master. Let's choose another one. Outdoor living space. Let's go ahead and find we'll upload that one. Okay, so we have 3 that we've uploaded. Let's get one spectacular one, either of the whole house or maybe the back area. Let's see, I think that view is pretty nice. So let's go ahead and choose that one. All right, so I'm going to actually have this view as replacing this image right here. So what we want to do is make sure we've chosen this photo, and you can see it's chosen because you have the dotted lines on the outside here. And if you hover over this image, you'll have an add image, replace image, use as background, or remove. I'm going to go ahead and hit replace image. And it is a little blurry, but let's not worry about that just yet. I'm going to go ahead and change out the rest of these. We'll go ahead and replace image. We'll replace that one, and then let's replace that one. Okay, perfect. And we can see here that we need to replace our logo. So I have some pre-loaded logos over here that I'll use. If you don't have your logo, your DBA in here, you can go ahead and add it the same way we did the other photos. So going to add and then dropping the logo in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and choose this logo, this image, and we're going to go ahead and replace the logo. And you can see that maybe my logo wasn't sized correctly, so I am actually going to go up here and go to undo. And that might have switched out some stuff. Let's do it one more time. Okay, so that put that back, but it did change my photos here. So we can replace those, but let's go ahead and click on this. Go back to logo. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add my logo. And we're going to go ahead and delete this, drag it over, and then I'm going to resize it down. And you can see we have some guidelines here, so those are really nice to use. And let's go back over to image, and we'll just switch out the images again. Let's replace that image. And switch this one out as well. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and go up to save, and that should clean up this image right here. Somehow it seems like it's caching or loading. And you can see that we still have to replace our headshot here. So what I'm going to do so I can show you the drag and drop feature over here is I'm going to open up a Finder window or a file, and I have photos of our market center here, and let's say we're going to add Christelle. I'm going to go ahead and drag her over here, and once she loads, I'm going to make sure the headshot is chosen, and we're going to go ahead and hit replace. And now you see here that it is a little off-centered. I'm just going to go ahead and double click, pull it down, and hit done. So you can edit any type of font by getting into the box and choosing a different font. You have all the Google fonts to choose from. You also can edit size. You can edit color by coming here and choosing colors. And let's go ahead and make that just a little bit bigger. And we'll just resize it out this way. So that is how easy it is to create a flyer. I'm going to go ahead and save this to make sure that I don't lose my work. And then what I'm going to do is download it. So when I download, it's this button up here. You can download it as an image, a PNG, or you can get a JPEG, a PNG, or we're going to do a PDF. And I always just like doing the high resolution print. And you're going to go ahead and click start download, and it's going to take a second. You'll think like, what happened? Why is my computer frozen? And within a couple seconds, it will pop up down here that your flyer is getting downloaded. Again, it's a lot of data getting exposed or downloaded from the software. So let's go ahead and click on this and see what it looks like. Not too shabby for less than 10 minutes. So you guys, I hope this helps you in your everyday real estate life. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this helps you become more productive. Thanks so much for tuning in, and aloha.